Hello everyone. Today's video is about changing these boring blue barrel planters into cute and adorable garden decorations. I'm sure you will also say that designing a garden is no more the work of experts after watching this video. Start by drawing the image on the barrel with a pencil. Once done, use some enamel paints to color it. Red, white, and black paints are used for this project. Styling our garden, isn't it crazily easy? Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.